So we're going to invite our first Deputy Commissioner, Miss Tania Kinsella. Give her a round of applause. I'm so sorry.
To our new citizens, you might want to join the NYPD group.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
We sound tired. Let's do this one more time. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Madam Consulate General, it's wonderful to see you again here, and I thank you for this incredible honor. This word will serve as a reminder of the exceptional work our people have done for this city. Growing up, listening to the beats of Bob Marley, eating oxtails, ackee, and saltfish, I quickly learned that our Jamaican culture is different. I proudly carry that culture with me everywhere I go. It's a badge of honor and a token of the movement we've made. And I'm humbled to represent that movement in the NYPD. Every day, my Jamaican roots guide my decisions making. I carry with me the stories of those who paved the way and acknowledge the sacrifices made for a brighter future. As I glance at my brother and my sister, please stand up, that are 100% Jamaican. I feel an overwhelming sense of pride. They're here representing our father, who's no longer in the physical, but watching over us, who have hailed from St. Elizabeth Parish. I know he will be so proud to see us gathered here together and to see the people we've all become. Thank you for being here, and I love you, my brother and sister. Tonight, let's not just celebrate my journey, let's celebrate our journey. Let us use this moment to light a fire, to advocate and to inspire our people, and to open doors for others to follow us. Let's pave the way for the next generation of Jamaican officers, Jamaican citizens that hold the position, that can hold the positions of First Deputy Commissioner, or even Police Commissioner, or even our mayor. So here's to us, to our Jamaican roots, to our beats of our music, to the flavors of our food. Thank you for this honor, and one love.